Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore your solar panel using dishwashing liquid and vinegar. Okay, so for this video you're going to need a small piece of sandpaper. I'm actually using the grade 60 and I'm using 60 based on the condition of the solar panel. If the panel is not crystallized badly, you can use a lower grade. It's all depending on the state of the panel will determine the grade that you use. So I have here sandpaper, this washing liquid, and the vinegar. So I'm going to pour in a small amount of this washing liquid and a small amount of water and a small amount of vinegar. It's about 2 tablespoons. Okay, then I'm gonna mix it together. You can use a bigger container if you wish, all up to you. Okay, like this. Just rub it gently. Don't be too rough. Very gently. I'm not gonna do all of it. I'm just gonna do a part just to show you. Oh, wow, look at that already. Oh wow. Oh wow. Then when you're finished, you'll wash with plain water. Okay, looking good so far. So if you look closely, you will see the difference between the left side and the right side. So all I did was to use vinegar and dawn dishwashing liquid with sandpaper. Guys, what you need to know, regular cleaning of your solar panel will extend the life of the panel and also give you a better charge of the solar lights. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the entire area. Guys, so I just posted a video of me cleaning the solar wall lights, and this is the finished product. Clean the entire light. So this is what it looks like. So there's no roughage on it anymore. It's all clean. So I will definitely get a better charge from this particular panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and also share it with other persons who need to learn how to clean their solar panels at home with basic soap and vinegar. Thanks for watching.